We're making crafts. Crap. We've got this 1963 Christmas book, holiday book, with all these beautiful crafts. The first one we're going to make is on page 9. Cyril, the snowman. This is a large edible Christmas craft made out of popcorn, candies, and marshmallows. So basically popcorn balls shaped like a snowman. Step 1, we need to pop the popcorn. It's not really clear on how much popcorn, so we'll do 4 bags. Get back. Now we're supposed to take 32 regular sized marshmallows in a double boiler. This is all they had left at my local Kroger. Giant marshmallows. Sorry, I'm choking on a kernel. I've been eating popcorn while we've been waiting. Anyway, so we're already off to a bad start. Then it says to use a 1/4 pound of butter and stir the two together. 1/4 pound of butter. I don't know about it. We're just gonna use the whole stick. If you look real close, this looks really similar to just a Rice Krispie treat, but with popcorn. And when I make those, it's pretty similar to how I cook in general. Probably why you can't cook really well. I just throw stuff in there. I don't need to measure. I'm dyslexic. It doesn't mean anything. Just throw it in there, and when you feel like it's time to stop, it's time to stop. And just like Paula Deen says, if it tastes like, add more butter. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just going to throw it in a pot and hope for the best. Now we add this mess to the popcorn. How does it look from your point of view? Does it look good? Oh, wow, that looks awful. Oh no, the popcorn should have been all white. I didn't think about that for the snow. We may just have to spray paint it. Oh, it works. The stove is on. This part should be pretty simple. We're just making balls, ladies. I guess they're compacted, you know, like the Halloween balls, popcorn balls. It's like hard to bite into. They squeeze the popcorn. Really should have thought about the popcorn not being yellow. It's just like a dog peed all over it. Oh, yeah, this is the one. Let's do ball number 2. This one needs to be the size of Dr. W's head. Do you think if you gave this as a gift, anyone would even eat it? It's kind of like eating at a potluck. You almost have to profile the person before you eat the dish, or a chili cook-off. You ever been to a chili cook-off? And it's being a little judgmental, it's being a little rude. There's questions that need to be answered. How many cats do you have? Get out of here. Or do you have a meth lab in your kitchen? I don't know. I don't know about it. I'm still gonna eat it. I don't think I've been to a potluck that I haven't ate at. And it's been questionable. I just love food. I love free food. Oh, what? Look at this. My balls are falling apart. You really gotta work the balls. Just ignore those little pieces of burnt popcorn. Oh wow, that actually does look good. Okay. And theirs has arms. We don't have enough popcorn for the arms, so we're gonna skip that step. We don't need that. Let's try this mess. It's a lot of marshmallow. There's some seeds in there. It's actually not bad. How many gloves are you gonna use? It's actually not bad. These are biodegradable. I guess I would prefer just a Rice Krispie. We should just made a Rice Krispie treat. I mean, what was wrong with that? Now we're supposed to add the buttons, the toupee, and the broomstick. I forgot to get, what? Something is wrong. Maybe there's too much. Do you think it's the butter? You really gotta do one of these maybe? Oh my. Oh my. Doctor, quit looking at me with your judgy eyes. Whew, crafting is stressful as heck. I might start drinking again. Christmas is supposed to be fun. You know what? Christmas really is just stressful though. It really is. We get all worked up over one day. Straighten up. I did not go out and get the candies, the broomstick. Honestly, just wasn't really prepared today. I just really wasn't. We're gonna use what we have for the eyeballs. We have eyeballs, candy eyeballs, and gold sprinkles for the buttons. Even see that. Just pretend that looks good. For his hair, we're gonna use this fun little toothpick. What do you think? It looks just like the picture. No. Okay, I wouldn't give this as a gift unless you really nailed the recipe down. Or maybe just Rice Krispies. How about that? Next, we're gonna do something quit. Put your head back on your shoulders. It's not your time. Next, we're gonna do something that I can handle. It involves tuna fish, chocolate, and a glue gun. We're making candle holders. You wash a tuna can. Oh, sandpaper, okay? Just say that. They're using too many words. Basically, you take a tuna fish can, sand the outside, glue chocolate coins on the outside, and a candle goes in the center, and it'll give you this nice centerpiece decor. Here's what you need for this craft. First, we're going to sand the tuna can. Looks delicious. Smells like a girl's bathroom on a full moon. You know I don't like to waste anything. And I used to be a tuna fish girly, but not anymore. Something about tuna fish is it's just not working for me right now. So I'm gonna give this to my cat. Woo! We're gonna take this label off. Then it says to sand the can. Why would you do that? We've got some 150. Oh, it gives it a nice brushed metal effect. Maybe so your guests won't know this is indeed a tuna fish can. Now we're supposed to glue chocolate covered coins on the outside of the can because heat and chocolate go together. Then we're gonna use this clay. What? Oh, what is that? Model magic. That is cool. We got 6 candles from the tea tree, and the foam is gonna hold the candle. Then more glue on the bottom in the tuna can, which still smells like tuna fish. No one is ever gonna know that this was homemade. This looks like something from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. This is the one. I mean, it's hard to beat the other craft we made, but I actually, in a weird way, kind of like this. But I love junk. 1960s crafts are fun, super fun. So here we have our 1960s Christmas crafts. Christmas crap. Definitely Christmas crap. Let me know which one is your favorite. I appreciate you being here in the kitchen today. We changed it up a bit. I don't have a microwave in my bathroom anymore. We used to, but I gave it to the guy down the street who needed a microwave. That's why we're here and not the bathroom. Next Sunday, we are going to be making Dollar Tree white elephant gifts. So if you're going to a party, I've got some gifts. Haven't made them yet, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be better than these. Anyway, don't forget to be kind. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Drive slow. People are crazy. They're crazy. Rushing to go where? Home? Nowhere? Drink water, and I will see you next time for something cool. Something cool. Butterfly. Okay, that didn't work like I thought. I learned that at hibachi. After they throw the egg in a hat, they toss the butter. And he's like, butterfly. So it's a butterfly. No? Okay. Anyway, you're making it weird. Me, not you. And the problem with me is I'm manic, looking like a wild Saturday night. If I do something, I'm gonna do it. This is stressful. I'm still doing it. Torture. People have family and friends. Candelabras. I don't know, but we're gonna do it. This is the gift that keeps giving. We've got the bags. I have no idea if ever who's in the litter box.